What once was a gravel pit is a gorgeous subdivision. Mick McGraw has been transforming land in West Michigan for decades. If you are ready for your next home or your forever home, check out this beautiful location in Byron Center thanks to Eastbrook Homes. They take countryside and they turn it into communities. That's what Eastbrook Homes is all about. We're at one of their newest locations, just off of 131 in Byron Center, close to shopping, not far from Grand Rapids, and very close to awesome schools.
This is Byron Center, Preservation Lakes. So we do have two other communities that are in Byron Center, and all of them are thriving. We are located in Gaines Township, and the most perfect thing with Byron Center is it's a small town feel, but the community and activities that they do, it's really quite a community based. Grand Rapids is 20 minutes away. Just get on the expressway and go, and then you're nearby to the Gerald Ford Airport. So very conveniently located. Our owner of the company, Mick McGraw, has great vision, and the way that he creates communities is really quite embracing. We have two bodies of water in this community, along with great play areas for company and children to be playing around in. So we are finishing up on phase 2 and getting ready to open up phase 3. So more single family homes and condominiums. The starting price point is going to be mid-300s to come into the community for your single family homes. And there's all different sizes as far as square footage above grade. So we do have beautiful ranch floor plans, or if you want to do a 2-story, we have plenty of floor plans to choose from. The nice thing with Eastbrook is everything is housed in one location. So you're not running off to the lighting store, the flooring store. We really do have a beautiful showroom where you can see your palette and your creation come together at that time. So it makes it so much easier to see how all the colors work together. We start off with our showcase homes where we're gonna pick the floor plan, location, and all the finishes for you. That's gonna offer more of an immediate possession. Our next phase would then be our paint your canvas. So we're gonna take it to the floor plan and location, to the structural component of it, and then you as the homeowner can pick out the colors of your cabinets and floorings and all the fun stuff, and you're in control of your final pricing. And then finally, you know what? You want to pick your own home site and floor plan? We got you covered. So your sales team will help guide you through what is the perfect spot and floor plan for you, and also keeping your budget in mind. Your salesperson is going to stay with you throughout the entire process, but we do hand you off to different team members throughout the process. So the designer is going to help pull all the colors together, and then your construction manager is going to work with you. We do see it as a partnership. Although we specialize in building, we want you to be an active part of it. So we welcome you throughout the whole stage of building to come in and see your home and see it coming together. Let's pick a community and a floor plan, and then we can start building your home on paper so you can see what that looks like from a budget perspective. And then we just send you, through the process, and we really do make it super easy. Most importantly, we carry the construction loan, so you don't have to be making payments throughout the entire build process.
We are in the condo portion of Preservation Lakes. We have single family, standalone, which we're in right now, we call the Willow. We also have the duplexes. It's obviously a different price change. Obviously, the benefits of a condo is you don't have to do anything outside. It is not any different than the single family. You have more rules and regulations as far as the master deed and the bylaws are concerned, but as far as the building process and the purchase process, it's the same as a single family home. I've worked with people that are building their third Eastbrook home. So we continuously, Mick McGraw, who owns Eastbrook, continuously looks to get better. So the quality continues to go up, and I mean yearly it goes up. We're never satisfied. We can always perfect it better. The reputation's out there. People that have already lived in an Eastbrook home love the Eastbrook home. And it's not only the quality of the construction, we build communities and we build relationships. So people stay with us, we stay with them.
So when you are ready, if you're still trying to decide what community to land in, please visit us at eastbrookhomes.com. The concierge team will certainly match you up to the best community, and the sales representative will get the process started for you and start the Eastbrook journey.
And they do beautiful work. To learn more about Eastbrook's other communities, visit eastbrookhomes.com.